Are you and your family going on a cruise for the first time? Well, then you're going to want to hear this video because we're going to talk about the 7 tips that you must know going on a cruise. What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies. Tip number 1, the boat does not wait for you, whether it's the departure or coming back from an excursion at the port. Tip number 2, if you don't know if you get seasick or not, please be sure to have a plan. If you want some ideas, be sure to click the link above. Speaking of seasickness, tip number 3, be sure to get a room with a window or a balcony if you're prone to getting seasick. Tip number 4, if you're wanting to get a spa treatment, as soon as you get on board that ship, you go straight to make an appointment, especially if you're wanting to do one of these appointments on a sea day. So for you first timers, tip number 5, we recommend going on the cruise ship's excursions. However, we prefer the private tours on our own. If you want to learn more about that, be sure to click the link above. Tip number 6, the ship does have a medical facility on board, but it can get quite pricey. So if you're concerned at all, be sure to check out the ship's insurance policy. Tip number 7, not all cruise lines are created equal. Some are high-end, some are adult only, some are pretty cheap but can be extremely crowded. So be sure to check out which cruise you really want to go on. Comment down below if you want to learn more about cruise ships by writing the word cruise ship. So there you guys have it, 7 tips for you first-time cruisers. If you like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more travel tips and adventures. I'm Trevi from the Adventure Buddies. Life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?